Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, I'm really excited because look what I got. Voila. I got the Halloween mystery box from Jeffree Star. I know he had a mystery box not too long ago around July, and I wanted to get to the Supreme so bad, but I ended up getting the mini one and the deluxe one. But this time I got the Supreme and I'm so excited, even though I already opened it because, you know, I was really curious on what was inside. But anyways, if you want to know what I got in this mystery box, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so first things first. The giveaway is in a couple of days. Is this Sunday on October 27th. I will be announcing the winner. Oh, so excited. But anyways, if you have not entered the giveaway, I still have the picture posted on my Instagram. I will be making again the announcement on my Instagram story. So if you are not entered yet, make sure you go enter the giveaway to win these 7 Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brushes, me hydro dipping them with whatever the winner's choice of colors. But anyways, yeah you guys, I'm so excited. So let's jump into this box. Told you guys it was already open because I was curious. So first thing that I did get, I was really excited about, and now like my boyfriend is kind of like, every time he sees me with a thing, like he's like, what the fuck, like, okay, like you like it's stupid, but I mean it's not. But I've been wanting this for a long time. Not the tea, but the straw, you guys. I finally got a metal straw. I'm so happy. Oh, thank God. Thank God, because I've been wanting one so bad. So like everything, like if I get like a Coke, a Red Bull, a plastic bottle or whatever, I literally use it for everything now. Literally. I am so happy because I got it. Okay, so let's see. In this box, it said it comes with 13 items, so that is 1. Okay, so I'm like shooken because I got a whole tracksuit, literally. You guys, I got a effing tracksuit and I am like living for it, and it is super pretty. Comes and with the little track pants or whatever. You guys, I already tried on the jacket. It's so comfortable. But yeah, this is the tracksuit. It looks a little big because I'm a large, so yeah. But yeah, that's another item, that's number 2. I'm gonna just put this back in the bag. It came in separate bags, but I threw the other bag away, so because I was so excited to wear the jacket, so that's why. Okay, so next we have is number 3. We have the mini breaker palette. Of course I already got this one, but I probably just like leave it around here like as a collection or whatever and not use it. I'm pretty sure some of you already seen it, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it again. That is the mini breaker palette. It has 9 shades in there. All right, so that's 3. And 2 is, oh you guys, I saw this one and it is freaking amazing. This is the Supreme Frost. This is a highlighter. When I saw it, I was like, baby, I do not want to use it at all because you guys, it is so beautiful. Like, I literally do not want to put my hands on it. Like, I do not want to use this. Take a moment. Let me see if it gets to that. Take a moment and appreciate that. That is freaking stunning. And I do not even want to like press on it because I don't want to mess it up. But I'm going to use it one day. Just like probably not right now because I'm not like, you know, like I don't want to mess it up. I'm just, there's a lot of things, like a lot of makeup I had that I have not used just because I don't want it like to mess it up, you know. It's that's just like, you know, that's just me. I don't know, I just don't ever like use some makeup that I buy. I just leave it there because it looks so pretty the way it is. I don't know, that's just me. Okay, so here we got a lipstick. Well, let me see, liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Venus Flytrap. Oh, and this is like a green shade. This is like really pretty cool. This is something I would not wear personally. I don't know, I just don't like vibe into these colors. Maybe like if it was a Halloween look, probably I would wear it, you know. So yeah, I probably like even use this as a shade eyeliner. I don't know, like I some of my lipsticks I do use them as eyeliner most of the time. So that's another way to use it. Well, for me, because I really don't wear those type of colors. Okay, so here we have another lipstick. This is not a liquid, this is just a regular like lip and ammunition, and this is in the color Yummy. This is like a purple color. Again, once again, this is not a color that I would wear personally. It's just I feel like it doesn't look too good on me, and I wouldn't wear something like that in public, but I'm pretty sure some of you will, but not me. I'll probably just use it like during a video, but not in public, wearing it in public. Maybe I will have like maybe I will one day feel comfortable and wear it in public, but not right now at the moment. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It's really cool. I actually have the other one that I got in from my from the other boxes, the other last mystery boxes. So I got two ammunition lipsticks, and this is the color from the inside. Full purple. It's really, really pretty. I'll probably like one day use it. Like, I don't know. It is really pretty. Okay, next one we have here, this is the Jeffree Star lip scrub. I actually already like I'm pretty much opened everything in here because I was really curious, and I wanted to wait till like, you know, until I made a video and see what I exactly got to be like surprised, but like I couldn't wait. Like, I'm that type of person, like if I'm gonna get something, I'm not gonna wait to do a video on it. I need to see it like right away. I'm just that type of person. But yeah, this is the lip scrub, and it smells like, it smells pretty good. It's mint, cucumber mint. Yeah, I was right. It smells really, really good. Okay, and this one down here, this is another I think it's a liquid lipstick. Yeah, a liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Zombie Kiss. I believe that this is another purple shade. Once again, I'm not the type of person to wear these type of shades, but either way, like I said, I will have them in, probably wear them in a video or something. Okay, so oh no, the next one, this is a liquid eyeliner. No, this is a crayon. This is a lip liner. This is in the color Anna Nicole. This is like a red color, but oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh my god, that's pretty. I didn't see this one. I just saw like it was a liquid, a lip liner, so I was like, oh my god. But I love it. I love how it is. Presentation, beautiful. I'm gonna have to open it. I just want to see how it looks like. I wonder like if you could like, you know, like sharp these. Oh no, you can't sharp these. I wish you could, but you can't. So that is a red color right there. Really pretty. Okay. So one of my, oh, this is my favorite right here. And then I have like, oh, like, oh my god, okay. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This what I'm about to show next, I really, like, literally do not want to use them at all. I feel like I just want to like have something in the back and like just a display or like collection or whatever. But this is the Love Me Not lipstick. What would you call this, like a lipstick thingy? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Oh, I'm so happy, and it's like something like I really do not want to use no more. But this is our Jeffree Star's mini liquid lipsticks. We had the color Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, and a Nicole Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. So yeah, we have 8 shades here, mini ones, and ooh, I really do not want to use them. I really do not. But they're like, oh, these colors are so pretty. Like I have to use them, like, but I'm gonna just keep them in there. And then next that we have here is this is like a record, like a little disc record that is in the shape of a star. And this has like, I think like I hope this plays music. I think it does, because it says A is Prom Night, and then and B is Prom Night Remix. So this is like, I believe it's a record that you could play this. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it. That would be pretty cool. And last but not least, you guys, I've been wanting, what? Besides the straw, I've been wanting this like so bad, and I've been telling Giovanni that I really wanted one. And opening this, I was really happy. I was like, holy freaks, I finally got one. But ta-da, wait, ta-da, I got a mirror. You guys, look at that. I am like super happy that I got one. Like, I'm like, oh, finally. But oh my god, I am extremely happy because I got it. So this was the last item in the box. So yeah, you guys, this is practically it. It came in this big huge box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys, I can't wait for the next mystery box, but I'm more excited for the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson conspiracy theory palette. You guys, I want it so bad, and it comes out next week, November 1st, and that is something like I really need in my hands. Literally in my hands. So I'm hoping, like, I really want to get like the whole collection. Hopefully if my check comes out really pretty next week, let's see what happens. But I really want it so bad. But yeah, you guys, this is actually it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys are really interested in another mystery box, if you want one for yourself, just stay tuned with Jeffree Star. You know, he literally has like a lot of things popping up, like, you know, a lot of good stuff. I'm hoping that he has another mystery box soon to come. I'm really excited. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.